say for your one same bia yeka ye kosia ade a ye kwa Bible says ye will be same bia yeka. Sabbath school as afuna koma. Sabbath school obia wo mu chefa. Je obia wo chefa wo. Je mama mu o obia be ubi. Me say je mama mu o obia be ubi. Finally Cocobod abe fire back at Randy Abbey our Cocobod CEO. On say no am bro villa tell say Cocobod CEO Randy Abbey abe kasa. Oh. I'm an answer what kind of a straight bullet to Cocobod no. I must add the same 2 minutes or percent or 2 mukade or montias new, price reform now, but or montias, yes, I did or won't forget that. Sikabia baby mobia. I don't know. Equiafor no. I better reply Cocobod CEO. I Penyah block me that. Mess was any deal. Over like video, no that my broadcast button, some back like a benefication, latest updates. Now, bet you and a man, ever comment, expensive baswa. Not your first any biashe. To make a yako 24 lesson, no. Medium whom out of force, or go peer with a ho. And out of force the quack said, Cocobod I buy you was a simo in a way, say, so the cocoa, echo word marketer, and then 10 million that time. 18 I buy one mammo cradie, or Timoto Cocobod at least 65 million. Now I want to end this nearby. Young to Cocoa better than 60 million.
Cocoa farmers are what Ghana. A bunny ought to be one you want to end the year. A bunny ought to be racism will be a bunny one from Musica be the Dame there. Cocoa no mono. Cocoa bag Biala a bunny button or button will cheap. Oh yes, 9,800. Oh yeah, Ghana is Canada no more. 98 million Ghana cities. One bag. There's a 98 million cities. Ghana is a share of Cocobod in there. Or that ban Ocha the Mr. Mabasa, such a Mabasa, Lord of Afakul, Lord the Cocoa farm and woman a being. Then when my bunny ought to be on the West in Italy, on the Wafa being, no one of Cocoa farm and the way. It's in Cocoa about the Biala or the Watanen, and Koida ban on a Cocoa farmer, 65 million Ghana cities. 65 million Ghana cities. Instead of my 65 million Ghana citizens, I buy one of Cocoa farmer or 30 million. And that's extra 3,000 Ghana cities. And see, what 65 and one more 30 million. And whatever you win there, a bunny in there. Usika MPP, a ban wafa, oh yeah, bag Biala, what 20 year, Usika. 35 million. We go to President Kufado, Union Baumia, and the MPP ban. We go to one.
And that time no, now dollar I could do 16 cedis. And a general 16 cedis for just a week. Now what you pay? And so started to edit your form. Now you go through 16 now what you pay no, and no more than this for the count of them. And Cocobod that say word market that say was en cabana to crade or Tony say dollar that say it to the folk or ton and you said the winner. Oh, Sabit no moon meaning say about dollar best heart server form. Dollar cost through just 3 days be penno, ye naso, and found 2 cocoa munko through 70 million. Now, one is man. Accountant a take a decision based on this. Say ya $2 cost through just 3 days be pet. Was young too. Na ya tumu kwa na dollar so tia o be sa ate so aba na say the na normal economy be na run this am yesterday nya abotre steady trend no e check kakra na fe o de considerably kakra bia kan ho say bia na even the cost road e so te kra na entuma de ba ye no e be stabilize still ehun ya so be sa ate ebo no so bi ba mo de dollar cost no na world market e pay ebo ni page just na what you be pay no no so na mu jade mo propaganda mo ho ne Some yenye data sa. Bibia page bibi wa kosro world market. Na what you pay just 7 days. Na mo mo price say o nyina no so na what you pay o nyina so fa ntum nko boom sa. Na sa na to boom. Sa na ma pricing. E na we boka o. O yes ade na we boka ye ma pricing sa. E ma nya no nko o mo sa share bon ni mo hwam to Cocobod for to point o mo ka tro mo say o mbeye National Health Insurance card. Ama Cocobod ni bi a say ensem we this can kroma no no. Ensem emo hwampa na enye ensem didi agro na ano so.
Afei Cocobod no so nyina obia health insurance or say Cocobod under John Mahama. Ye health insurance. Ma Cocobod ni bia o passbook. One ne yere de so mo hospital free.
Cocobod ni ne yere.
Yes.
That call hospital free.
Yes. Honorable, you record you. Ah, you actually manifesto was a record.
I say, but I was here. Lo and behold, Omuba, you know. I took force no car said, Yan to Cocobod 60 million. On Mahama, I am a finance minister. Thank you, the men sem. Cocobod. Or to me, to just 1.220 pay. 1,022 cities. And I took force in 18 the go who say that time no kujina hono anu wo hye sa e bo hye hunu no na dollar wo soro ba oba ye on say dollar ba from tin e na wo hunu say na ni say wo ka da asem no ho no mo wono aga so asua wo hu say na eni say wo based on that temporal system no e take that decision ye nya ne sa hwe ye nya ne sa bibia ko through just 2 days pe na wo aban wo say na 2 days pe na bia ko soro mo atum boom obi ameton na ka obepo ka obewu usika nyina besa. We don't do things like that. You take this inside. I say, you take this inside. I say, I feel like Busia Koduru say, Coco no more in 60 million. I feel so no, Busia, Sika any honor, I buy him for Sika Mamma and to Coco. I make a for no. November month to Coco, I come out crash for no. Almost uncommon music, be $50, I'll lock you, Coco crash ho, crash Sika buying for Scamai. But I say, I'm a median, so we are for no be so. Now, and I'm so I'm a Cocobod CEO, Randy Abbey, Ebe Kasai.
We are able to service most of the rollovers, if not all. And so we have been preparing for a new funding model for 26-27. Unfortunately, the prices have come crashing. And so what is happening is that our cocoa at the current price is too expensive for the buyers. And it is the buyers who are financing the crop under this model. So you are selling your crop at 6,400 to them. And the crop is currently being traded for $4,000 or below $4,000. So why would they buy your crop? Because we pay the farmer $5,040. That's the farmer share, $5,040 US. And if you check, and I'm sure all of you do that on a daily basis, the crop is currently at 4,000. So how do you buy a crop? How do you, as a buyer, buy a crop at, let's say, $6,000 when the crop is actually trading at $4,000 or below? So the situation we have is that you have the buyers now moving to other markets where the prices are competitive. And that is why you would hear issues of we have beans they are not buying, or we give them the beans and we have not been paid. Because now the LBCs who have even taken some of the beans do not have off-takers. Because the LBCs, when they take the beans has to be taken up by buyers who are financing the crop. Now these buyers now consider your bean too expensive at this point. Just to emphasize that as I speak to you, we have sold over 530,000 of the crop. We have another under 50,000 that we are yet to find buyers for. And that is when the buyers started shifting. So there's a high possibility that for many of the farmers who complain that they have not been paid for their beans, the beans could be in this category. And then for those who also complain that their beans are not being bought, it is also because the buyers now find our beans as too expensive, and therefore they have shifted to other markets where they can get the beans far cheaper, because these are business decisions.
If I didn't say more, Cocobod CEO and Abbey can you know. Media and Cocobod for no. Abbey reply.
Asa agorɔ ne yɛ banka kranka ta wodem ya kamera yɛ de ba bi ebetuma gina ye video bi a ɛbɛyɛ yɛmfa obi a ho sɛ ka minim nyansa pa ka mebusa asɛm we sɛ free November no sɛ ɛka ɛda hɔ a ɛda Cocobod no sɛ yɛ 20 million a ebesi saa bere wa me ne wo ka sɛ kana toa so akɔ animu nti November 20 million kura ma ntima ntua nti sɛ sɛ aduru saa bere we no mo pɛ sɛ mo twɛn kosi da bɛn ansa na mo tima tua sika na makoko akuafo no de sa to so bio se Cocoa akuafo no isu so musika ma no mo kyire mu from November saa ba be sin ne me pa che obuo ne ani die kwan so nkyiremu no momfa nkyiremu nya den omomfa nya aduane ana omomfa nkyiremu no nkotoka ana omomfa nkyiremu no nto aduro mfa mo Cocoa no Cocoa akuafo bebredi adanse se mo maduro na mo de bere wo mo no emwa koko no omo ankasa na de omo sika koto koko aduro de bebo ndi sese ya sika na loko no kwa be no obofa so bo koko spray ama koko na so ama manya bia to bio sese sika ne ma koko so omo gu so omo hata koko omo gu so de ba koko se re hokra ba bi obeko no matum ba bi bebre obeko no matum adan a on tongu ho because ojeto a onye sika ntua uka e kan so eda ho so a ontumi nya sika mfamba sese woji koko na to ho de ayeden What is here? Inti se bibi o wasem ya na mo ye ntan mo ja se mmera ne kwa ni mu akomo dipa nya sika no tell them we are coming ya donya ado abura don kruma don tosi amfa kokwa akuafo so mbe fa ba de am ye nya kakra din so a makolo ko mu sika se mbe da fa ba de am ye nya sika di tell them we are coming so obosu me katu ya ba wo je ye se kokwa akuafo no se mko meeting na se kase koko a munkase ye gie sika ema munkase koko Ghana bio koko ye gie sika tell them we are coming kila bia zero koko akuafo sika ko kamuna ye kana biti ho na ye bremo fertilizer free nti sika ne nyama ye no mugu afu na mo kasa adan ya mo ye boni aye mo ye hwan masa me ka we ya kire bia wo platform we so abomate ase se sa koko mpenyimfo na mayi o masi branch se omontena wo he koko akuafo no so koko fertilizer ba na o de akomo o no meme se fertilizer no omu wiya bi ekoton masa obi ansuro obi awiase o kila bia zero koko no obekọ no omo de fertilizer na ba no ma kire obi fufuro din aka ho no ma man be 60 to 70 bars omo chena sasa koko fertilizer ne ka no mo de akwa koma nipa kro no oton no store enye sa anka koko ye de ma akwa fertilizer ye de ma koko akuafo no epedien wo store ye ton ya twere se not for sale so ne ye ton sa duro no mo de ma koko mpenyimfo no mu de animu se o mo ngie duro nche ma koko akuafo no koko nipa ba akopɛ o mu tumi ma no toa ba akopɛ sei ebu ho kra obi koko ka boma ye 20 acres no ma mo toa 3 so mo mfa nkoba fuo no me ba to wade ase na matumi ya committee man timi ahu se koko akuafo no bi wo nkurase nti mu beto abobo ya e de ama koko kratefo no na mo de atini akonkurase wa koso koko akuafo no koko na baser ho se de be ya o mo be hiha o mo kakra na mo matuma bo mo ho modin atoka e de ama o mo a o mo fertilizer ba no ma wiya bi aton aduro ba no ma wiya bi e de aduro na kogu store ton o mo na ma sa atoka de akomo kana mutomo mo nya boni o but omo nye wo madwuma yie ba koko kuani na wo bere wo nafuo ho anani abrese koko no aduro beba no me ka bi ye side ho wan yie koko akuafo e wo ho aduro bi ama so mo mfa bo mo koko bu so mo se kwan be no mo fa so bo koko spray no nti wan yie aduro ma aye na nkoto wo twen sa ban fa aduro mbre no sa aduro ne wo hefa aba nti wo bona fu wan yie a ko ye benya koko de aba koko share ho no ye ba to wade ase koko biafo no so motikuo ne mo ye meeting na ya me ni de di a mo ye meeting no de ono te officer air condition bo no ono ne ya hu na toka de ama na so won fa be kire kwan ya wo be fa so ama koko aye kama wona wo so koko firi wuram e de bobe pode koko share ho no ya demand to bobo ya mpa ma koko krat ne so wonye mfa mesisa koko e wo wakura mu won fa nko de bia bra wo bre no sa na wo bre koko biafo bebre to fertilizer de bo e de kuom koko ase aduro no mo de bre koko akuafo so mo mfa mo no bebre na anya papa no kra ne da wa no waka bebre nya papa bebre na koko akuafo bebre koto aduro e free store e de ne de bebo mo koko no kra da wa mo nka kire mu nua tawo de mu ya kam kala bia zero me evidence am what say de egu wona yesi enchama koko akuafo no epedien wo store ho aduro no mo se ya fa mo koko akuafo fa mo no epedien wo store ho sa koko mpanyimfo no nyine twase mu busa wo no tawo de mu ya kam kila bia zero
menya amanyosem me yekuani no kore me mondie akufo ado penso ye mam chenenne dise ne mfa boyda 50 cedis
ena nna no sinse abam
ne 1.2
na buru no akufo ado penso no ntoye ne ye
na 10 million ne nton ma buru bag ya ntinto cement kutu cement ye kotokuo ne ye ayikura
1 million pa
ye 10 million ntin 100 cedis ya ntinto du na nkoto no maburo 400 metima to sen
wonya du
80 cedis ya metima to sen
wonya du ubina wanya be
nen kashi so ntona 20 million na kashi ya sen
nyina
sen
wo kure ni
nti ajasi koko ni yete so a mo akuafo no sen
yem tias yem abente so se bebe titi Cocobod fo mpanyimfo ni nyina ba katua so dia the whole Ghana bebe ti bia katua so niema bo abafo be ti bia katua so dia one de ye pene so na mo se akuafo ne de de yente so
na abane no koko no okogisi na mano ne o tindi do sen na ba mamumu sen mono
koko no ni nyina depend
mo
it depend bebe de bi to nuru mai
okay
nuru no sare ba ti koko so sa nuru ma spray no ntwam ontwe no mfanka koko akatua no
mo
Cocobod fo mpanyimfo no so bia akatua bente so sare obete so abente so
nje koko ya ate so dia effect mu
mi mo dia menti se ya ate so
okay
nti kasem nti me kase abani mi panyini bia begina ho aka se ya ate so a enye mi mo dia na pa firi ba no na se ntie firi ba no na ye no kora dia yeso dia akuafo no dia enya dia ye beti ase ne ati ase ye china ara obema ye 70 million no sa ta ne beto no me he dia no hu ye nti ade 70 million oba ye ne beto no sen ni abedi kan de ko ye no ni ya te so aba sen o tin chire yi mu a nti ase bi wo ha ni the whole Ghana bia katua beti so dia onde go be dia ni
na ja koko
ya se afana no koko bo na beto no ba ate so ntino
wi ase afana nyina koko bo ba ate fine se ba ate so bia bebe niema kofom ni amekan ni ane me ka kire wi se Ghana ha bia ni ate so
yante hwe so Ghana de apart from cement no na ya bede aba for me petu aba for kakra
cement no me de aba for no me enye mame Kisa min cotton ne tema cement ne bo so cotton kashiwa nya 20 million tinto dodo
no kore
ne cotton kashiwa tinto dodo sen timini enye mame dollar no so Ghana ha nipa me hina hu bi pen
ye ni dollar
nipa me hina hu bi pen
me hu bi da me nsu bi nda
aburoche koko no beto ne sen bag ba ko osisa bagana sikema first no ne beto ne sen sen ne beto na ne bate so on chechiri mu
asemo enti sese wo de abane we toto akufu ado abane no ho a wo be ka se de ohene nka obo no modne se ba se be
mi mo die mi mo ma mi ngina he de mi ma dwene ne me kire mi die ne de ye che ne wi you say akufu ado pension ne mfa ba da na 50 cedis
okay
na so beje 1.2
okay
beje 100 cedis 120 cedis
okay
ni ntutuma buro oloka ba kwa nkoto paturu 100 cedis ya nkoto patura nkoto paturu nkoto ni 70 cedis ya nya nsisa 30 cedis na ntutuma buro olonka
beto no
40 cedis kise me sand 10 cedis ya so so
ba ko ni 50 cedis this all ko bobo san so so okay muda ha asema de kan zase wo
asa agro ni ye banka kranka tell them we are coming omanya yetima yesu si enya adwuma nye no ye mpanyimfo so te ho adwen kwan omba sesa din edin o yetumi kokko because of say akwa aba ne obaake ho like yetumi nya daje dwendwene kwan ya yebefa so asesa din afiri Accra afiri Kotoka International Airport ede akwa Accra International Airport wabra sesa yesesa sa din no emfa so de bia mre ye youth wa ye wo man ni mo eduru abato ano mo sa dimirika e ba ye nchen edi sesa no di ade na e ba ye de amaye wo man we mu e ba jawa de ase tell them we are coming ya te wasa aborofo na be de ye nananom nti ye nananom ajiminti na aborofo be de wo mo no oboa de aborofo no ye nyansa wo mpa because aborofo no be de ye nananom de wo mo koye no omo de koye o mu kuro ni yie e de ye nyuma kese wo ho enne me no wo ye pekoye kwa aburochire wa kwa koye adwuma uti wo man mu kasa wo pa adwuma ya ye ka ye tumi ko ye mpanyimfo tumi tu kwa kope ba bi adwuma wo aburochire no ma ka kire se ye nko wo ne ye nkoye adwuma enti de aborofo no ye no e ya na ase nye Say ye na nanom a mo do mo ko ho no makoje ye japade ho a yetumi ko ye adwuma nya bi to bibidi. Me ba to wade ase. Ba e man a yetimu no ye politicians ye ne ye mpanyimfo a ne omote no. Busa wo papa so wadi mfie sen or call over 40 years 50 years. What to abasa abesi nne wo efia wutim air condition dodo sen wo. Car dodo sen na wo nya tenamu e wo bra wo ba fie. Me ba to wade ase. Even fine kura bi kura nse da ne fie abato no mfa so wo ben na wanya. Me wa to mu da ho ye de yanya ne yakode de ye nananom na omakosi dan aye japade ho ne yetumi ko kopa adwuma ye na omo aye na omo taya na omo ye politicians omo tumi de eme ya to aba ma omo nso abato na ti no ye nya bibia mfa mfiri mo ye nya mfaso bi anya de ban every abato no mu tell them we are coming kila bia eye zero baba to what is here. What to about over something years in here? Ukrum public toilet kura munibi. Public toilet o munibu o. A pipe kura mube bu pipe mpenyifo ba betu bi ama ho. Amode mu ankasa ma ho odin kura bebu no. Munsa anya bi. Nti adada ben na sene wei. Se nipa ne te woman mu no odede wo. Na wontumi take action bia na wonsa anya mfaso wonfiri mu. Ne ye bedede wo nana de ne ko ne kurom ko ye ajapade to ho anne. Wunya kwan ko ho ba. Be 5 years away ye. Tell them we are coming. Kelabia is zero. Remember what I say? Suyanyansa nefa wo ho adwene. Bye. Ye bre fucking. Remember what I say?
Now you know say and this for omu defense nyina say an ana dollars what and ya petrol so ya petrol sa kwase asem no mo nka be mamente. Muntie ni. O te TikTok. You don't own a car. O ni car. Dollar e da hokra wo dollar da fon kra na wo unhunu. Te dollar da fon na wo kan dollar sem say ya nkyerɛ say dollar da ho na wo kra wo hu o te on like kan kwase asem ya te petrol so do you own a car ya te petrol so a wo uni car ntu nto petrol enye wasem lorry fare na utua o lorry fare ya te so no eti e de ani dansem hu no ana ya te petrol so eno ana ehia wo to petrol no to bi do you buy petrol when on the last time I call fuel station so okoto petrol when was the last time wo the petrol ya de on fa petrol nya hwe dia wo ye interest e wo mu e lorry fare se e bete so ma ye nte lorry fare so wo so na agi rebeli se ate petrol so o se so ade e fo a wo ase e fa wo ho ben ah se so ade e bo ayefo a wo te fom a wo e fa ho ben se ya te petrol so a wo ni car wo e wasem de o dan se e bete lorry fare so e na ye wo wasem etimu nya san kwase akeka no kire wadwe ma me e wo comment section hi Penyah Media.